So you're going to be needing carry board for this project, and the first size is the one that is the biggest, and the length is 30 cm long, and the width here is 25 centimeters width and 30 centimeters long, and you need 2 pieces. For this one right here, you need the length, this is a shorter length, to be 14 cm, and the width is longer, and this is 25 centimeter. Then at the bottom here, from this middle point, this center part is 10 inches, and this little block here is 10 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter, and you need 2 pieces. Then for the third part, you need just 1 piece of this, which is 14 cm long and 26 centimeter width. So that's for the carry board. Now let me show you the measurement of the fabric. Please note, I'm going to be using centimeters all through. So this piece here is 35 inches. Sorry, I keep saying inches because I'm used to using inches, so pardon me. This is 35 centimeter by 7.5, and you cut out 2 pieces. For your Ankara fabric, you cut out 22 cm by 34 cm. So your length is 34 cm and your width is 22 cm, and you also need 2 pieces. So if you're using Ankara for this project, you cut out your Ankara 2 pieces of this measurement. You cut your plain fabric. It could be denim, it could be plain fabric, but I'm just using plain fabric right here. Okay, now for the sides, 1 piece of Ankara 16 cm wide and 28 cm long. You cut 1 Ankara and you cut 1 plain fabric for your lining, or if you want to use another fabric for your lining, you cut these 2 pieces to be the same measurement. That's for one side. For the other side, for the other one, you need, let me show you the measurement, 29 centimeter long and 17 centimeter wide, and you need 4 pieces, 2 lining and 2 Ankara fabric. So this is what is going to house this right here. We're going to use that piece to cover, and then for the last part, so this is going to be for the 2 sides. This will be for the front and back. This is for the front and back, the 2 sides, and then the base. The base here is just 1 piece of lining and 1 piece of Ankara fabric, and this is 18 cm 18 cm by 30 cm. And this is what will cover the base right here. So you cut out 1 piece lining, 1 piece Ankara. So I'll put this aside, and then I cut out my handle. My handle will be plain fabric or Ankara fabric, and the length of this is, the length is 45 cm and the width is 7 cm. And then I have my gas hose, so I'll use the gas hose. The length of my gas hose is 36 cm, and let me show you around it. This is about 5 cm. 2 pieces.